Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's Hannah, aka The Black Hannah, and I'm back. And I'm excited, y'all, because if y'all can't tell by the quality, I'm back on my camera. I thought I needed a new camera, but I actually just needed a new lens. Said it was gonna get here till June, but it came today, which surprised me and made me super happy. So you already know I gotta hit y'all with some content. I gotta hit y'all with some content. So boom, today I'm gonna show you guys a hairstyle that I've done a few times that I really like, and it's something I've been doing when I need something a little more pulled back or just want the hair off my face, because you know I am an attorney and I hate when this happens when I'm looking down at documents or trying to type something. So I'm about to show y'all a nice little protective-ish style that y'all can do because it can be transformed, and it's a great way to practice your barrel twisting if you're like me and you're like, this barrel twisting thing is a little so we're trying to figure out. So boom, don't forget y'all, if y'all like this video, please like, comment, let me know what you think, and more than that, go back and look at my other videos and let me know how y'all feeling it and what kind of content y'all want. But I'm super excited to show y'all this hairstyle, so let's get into it. Alright y'all, so I'm just now getting back from work and stuff, and even though my hair is feeling super moisturized, you know what they say, you never play with your Locs or do any styles unless you're gonna like wet them up a little bit. But since I just retwisted my hair, I'm just gonna like lightly mist it. So that's what we're gonna do. Then I just like to rub it in, stick out, spray, stick out, spray. And I'm really only focusing my moisturizing on the top of my hair because that's really what we're going to be working with. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to split our hair right down the middle. And you know, if your parts aren't even, that's okay. Mine aren't exactly even like to the center of my head, but I also like the messy look, so it doesn't have to be centered. But boom, look down at your head and try to get whatever makes you feel good. I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to parting because they're just my Locs. So I'm just going to split it. So honestly, that's good enough for me. I'm real simple, real simple. So boom, gonna take my hair tie, gonna tie this side to the right. Got me my little red pigtail sitting. All right, so boom, gonna really be working with, when we do this, the top half. And really, when I say the top half, really just this little quadrant right here. And if you're like me, I don't like my hair being pulled too tight, so I really just want to work with just this upper half. And what we're basically going to do is we're going to, not flat twist, child. We're gonna, what are we gonna do, Hannah? We're going to barrel twist it back into two. So now we're going to prep. All right, y'all, so I'm not like perfect at this, but I'm just gonna show y'all what I've been learning. And of course, y'all, like I said, I'm learning how to barrel twist right now, so don't y'all judge me. So boom, we're gonna take it, and what I've learned is that you want to just twist two around each other first. 1, 2, boom, that's enough. Now you're gonna take one from the right, and 1, 2, boom. Take one from the left. Ooh, make sure they close, y'all. And 1, 2, boom. Now you're gonna take one from the left, which is probably the opposite now that I think about y'all looking at it. And 1, and take your time if you need to. 2, boom. Now I'm gonna take one again from here, and we're going to again wrap around. 1, 2, boom. So as y'all can see what's going on, I'm gonna keep doing that all the way back. I've been waiting for you. Alright y'all, so I'm taking 2 rubber bands for security purposes. So at this point I just twist it just a little more. Just a tad more. And then I grab it and I tie it around the end of it. just like that. And then boom, we got one of the twists completed. Okay, so as y'all can see, I'm done with my one side. And one thing I like about this hairstyle is that like you can leave them to the side or you can do your little back action. I like my back action. Anyway, time to do this side. And the goal is to do the same thing. We're gonna start again with the base of the twist. I think I like to do it 2 to 3 times, and then I start my barrel twist. So, I'm gonna section off my hair again. And this is the side I wanna say, y'all. This is the side of my straightening edge. This is the side of my straggling edges that are coming back. That's why I got this new baby right here, my new baby. But anyway, because I'm trying to grow this one, I don't want it being pulled up. Because again, these are struggling edges, not edges that have been, you know, nice and flourishing. they've come back since I've locked. So, you know, we still working on it. Anyway, y'all hear my washer going ham? Anyway, on this side we're gonna do the same thing. Twist, twist. Now we're gonna grab one like we did last time. Wait, make sure I do it one more time. Okay, we're gonna grab one from one side, wrap it around 1, 2, hold that over there, grab one. I've been waiting for you. So that looks more even on both sides. Oh shit, yeah, more even on both sides. And this is what it looks like. That's how the band take. So just like with the other side, we're gonna take the rubber band and seal the end of it so that your barrel twist isn't unraveling. You know, I decided to put in that edge piece because I was like, dang, I am having an issue with keeping it from unraveling, so maybe this will help stay. So boom, now just take out the rest of your hair, and this is the hairstyle. I really love this hairstyle because you can wear it like this. I like that I can actually tie my hair up if I want to into a bun and still have this little twist going on. And really all you have to do with this hairstyle is do a little edges if you're feeling it, and then boom, you're done. One little funk, stick them out to the side or just roll them back. But boom, that is the Alright y'all, so that is the hairstyle. It's just these 2 barrel twists into 2 pigtails, and it's super easy. And this is the thing, y'all, if you cannot get the barrel twisting, that is okay. The first time I was so freaking frustrated. I was watching so many videos, and again, look at them. They're definitely not perfect. So if you're not able to do this, I will say do a nice little flat twist or a braid. I definitely recommend flat twist if you don't like a lot of tension, but definitely do a flat twist or a braid and get yourself the same effect and keep practicing that barrel twist. It's gonna come. I'm still messing mine up and I know it's gonna come, but I'm excited to keep trying them, you know, just spice up my hair a little bit. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope y'all learned something, got y'all a cute little new hairstyle to try it. If y'all try it, definitely tag me on Instagram at the.black.hannah. And go ahead and follow me while you at it. I get all the updates there. Oh, I know. Anyway, go to my Instagram and definitely hit the follow button. And I will see you guys next time. And don't forget to like, comment, rate, subscribe. Y'all know what it is. Oh yeah, and today, y'all, we hit 179. I'm so happy we hit 179. 179 of you guys. I'm thankful for all y'all who have subscribed, liked, and have been watching. So thank you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.